What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of skill moves in FC24. Today we are going to look at some of the beginner level skills that we can actually use in FC24. The fancy footwork might look flashy, but for beginners, it's all about mastering the basics. These moves will help you create space, beat defenders, and elevate your game. So grab your controllers, lace up your versatile boots, and let's get started. The first step we have is the ball roll. It's a simple yet effective way to shift your player's position quickly. Simply hold L2 or LT on Xbox and flick the right stick in the direction you want to roll the ball. This is particularly great for changing the direction, creating space for a pass, or shaking off a defender. It's a fundamental move everyone should have in their locker. The next we have is step-overs. Alright, let's step things a bit by using the step-overs. This move involves some fancy footwork to confuse your opponent. Tap L2 or LT twice quickly and flick the right stick back and forth. It might take some practice, but mastering this will help you create space in the tight situations and leave the defenders bewildered. The next up we have is heel to heel. Looking to surprise your opponent? The heel to heel is your friend. Hold L2 and flick the right stick from left to right in a quick twisting motion. This move is great for changing direction unexpectedly and leaving defenders scrambling. Just be careful not to overuse it or it becomes predictable. The next up we have is the drag back. The drag back is a fantastic move to pull off defenders who are closing you down. Hold L2 or LT and flick the right stick back. This pulls the ball behind your player, creating space to burst forward or launch a surprise attack. It's a great way to turn defense into offense. And the last but not least, the fake shot. This is a beginner-friendly option that can be surprisingly effective. Simply press the shoot button R2 or RT while holding L2 or LT. This tricks your opponent into thinking that you're shooting, allowing you to burst past them or create space for a teammate's run. Practice makes perfect. Remember, mastering these moves takes practice. Get into training mode and experiment. Once you're comfortable, try them out in the online matches. Don't be afraid to mess up. That's how you learn. And thanks for joining me today. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you so much.